Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So remember I said I needed to clean out my fridge? Yeah, no judgment here guys, right? You're not going to judge me because sometimes this is the way it just is. So in this video, we are thoroughly cleaning out my fridge. So for a while, I didn't have my card, so I couldn't go food shopping. So I did actually end up going to the food bank. And if you are struggling, right? You are going to save every little bit of food that you have. So anything I made, I put it in the fridge and I saved it because you just don't know. Nonetheless, my card did come and I just got a Walmart order. So in order for me to put it in my fridge, I need to clean it out. So if you're into these kind of videos, stay tuned. You are going to see me thoroughly clean my refrigerator.
I went to the woods because I wished to live deliberately, to front only the essential facts of life, and see if I could not learn what it had to teach, and not, when I came to die, discover that I had not lived.
Turkey, sour cream, Hollywood string cheese, bacon, So I'm going to my cousin's and something. We're having a get together and everybody's making something, and I chose to make shredded steak and cheese egg rolls. So I got these. And I don't know if I want to freeze them. I think I should freeze them. Cucumbers, guacamole, baby peppers, and the egg rolls. Some broccoli. Angie wanted TV dinners, so I got the Mega Bowl and the banquet. This is for lunch when she comes home from school. That's gonna go in the big freezer. And Kilo got this ball maker from the thrift store, and he's been making ice balls. So this is how they look. Isn't that cool though? It's cool, but we're making more than we're using, so I think I'm gonna put this away. Hold on. Kilo? Yeah. I'm putting your big ice balls in the freezer. In the freezer, big freezer. Go, Mona. Okay, now we have to do the side.
I went to the woods because I wished to live deliberately, to front only the essential facts. I went to the woods because I wished to live deliberately, to front only the essential facts of life.
Alright guys, so we have come to the end of the video. This is the final reveal from opening up in the beginning of how it looked like to let's open it up now. So much better. Nice and clean. Nice and stocked. Looks like things are going to stay on there, hopefully. Maybe I'll move these. Let's put those there, just to be sure. And yeah, I'm not that type. I don't need to see everything. All right, so that is it. Thank you for watching. If I motivated you or helped you out in some kind of way, if you felt like this was just some kind of, you know, therapy session for you, you like watching people clean, shout out to you. So make sure you like the video, subscribe if you're not, and I love you mucho, and I will catch you on the flip side. Oh, I have a lot more to do in the kitchen, but that's not this kind of video. You've seen me do that many, many times. I just have to wash the dishes, so yeah, I'm gonna do that.